Here we are. Good old analysis of the day. What is this, number 4, I think? We have this piece by Clementi. Those of you who do piano lessons probably have heard this at one time or another. This is what it sounds like. Okay, so lovely. The left hand here, we want to look at this kind of pattern. In arpeggiated left hand, we want to look at the bottom note. That's our bass note. And you see how F is the bottom note, continuing all through up to right here. And then C is the bass note. And then F is the bass note. And here we're still F is the bass note all the way through here. And then we have separate notes, and then we have C as the bass note. Oh, my cat. Jeez. Get out of here, cat. Okay. So we want to consider that. Now, if we look at all of these notes in the left hand, that's just FAC, so we're the key of F. That's a 1 chord. Okay, let's just give doing the 1 chord. And the right hand is also notes of the 1 chord. Here, we go to C in the bass. So we've gone from here, and now we go to... That's the 5th scale degree. But if you look at this chord, this is an F chord, and this is a 6/4. See that? CFA. That is a 6/4. So if you remember, there are 3 kinds of 6/4 chords. There's a passing 6/4, pedal, and cadential. Which type is this? Hint. 5th scale degree. 6/4, and here, C, E, G, 5/3. This is the cadential 6/4. So we're going to see this as CFA. The C sustains. The F goes to E. The A goes to G. So it's like this. There's a C. There's the 4th F. The 6th A. The 4th and 6th, the step down to 3 and 5. Okay. This is a cadential 6/4. And we're going to analyze this as this whole thing is a 5 chord with embellishing notes taking us here. Okay, so yes, these notes here, FAC, look like a 1 chord, but this no longer sounds like a 1 chord. Let me prove it to you. Did you hear that? It moved to a new chord, a new harmony. This just needs to resolve. Okay, so this is, in a way, it strengthens the 5 chord by delaying motion into it and leading to it. Okay, and here, F is this. This is just all F major, so we're back to 1. Now here, F is still on the bass, but you see this is a B flat chord. And B flat is 4. With F in the bass, that's a 6/4. So what kind of 6/4 chord is that? That is a pedal 6/4. Right? You see F sustains in the bass, so we have F, A, C, F sustains. Okay. A moves up to B flat and back to A. C moves up to D and back to C. And even though this is all arpeggiated, you can see that this B flat right here resolves back to A right here. This D resolves to C. This D right here on the downbeat resolves to C on the downbeat. Okay? So starting here, we have, and then with the piano part, 1, pedal 6/4, back to 1. Now we have 3 different chords. Correction, we have 2 different chords but 3 different bass notes. Right here, this is a chord, C, E, G, B flat. That is a C7, that's a 5/7, but now the 7th is in the bass. So it's a 3rd inversion. What's that? That's a 5/4/2. This is FAC with A in the bass, that's a 1/6. And then this A goes to F. This is still an F major chord. So this is 1 in root position. You could either write the Roman numeral 1 there, just as it is, or you could write 5/3 to show that 1 continues and we're just changing inversion. Do you see how this measure is almost the same as this? C sustains in the bass. We have 6/4 going to 5/3. So this is a cadential 6/4. So if I play this just as sort of like block harmony for you, there's 1, cadential 6/4 to 5, back to here, 1, pedal 6/4, 1, and now we get this 5/4/2, 1/6, 5/4/3, sorry, 1/5/3, and then here's our cadential 6/4. Okay, let me play just as block chords. 1. So you see this piece is almost entirely 1/5/1. I mean, I suppose, think about, we've got this, 2, 3, 4. We've got 4 1 chords, 1, 2, 3. 3 5 chords, and we have 1 4 chord, but it's a 6/4, so it's very weak. This gives us a pretty good idea of the relative importance of each harmony. Tonic is most important, it's most represented. The next most important chord is 5. It's the next most common chord. This is an embellishment really of the 1 chord. Here's the whole thing. Let me play it for you. Let me pull this down so it's not off the screen so much. So that is Clementi Sonatina. Super simple harmony, but a really beautiful melody, don't you agree? So that's it for this piece. See you at the next one.